the video in CapCut, so we can do any changes there. So here we can add animation into it. There are some available animations that we can avail while we are online, so we have to download these animations here. But we can use the adjustments. There are some tint as well. I will add some saturation and exposure there. Some brilliance we are going to add. So thank you for watching.